Without wasting your precious time, let's begin our list on the 8 best and most expensive drones in the world. Number 5. Aeron's firefighting drone is a unique and innovative drone by a company called Airness Limited. This drone is designed with a purpose to outperform and at the same time assist firefighters. Compared with the ordinary drones, this drone can fly up to a height of 300 to 400 meters and weighs around 55 kilograms. It is a square-shaped drone with a length and width of 3 meters. The primary purpose of this drone was to reach areas which are dangerous or impossible for humans to combat the fire and shoot water or foam. It can shoot water and foam through the front nozzle at a speed of 100 liters per minute with a maximum pressure of 200 bars. Generally, with these kinds of functionalities, the drone becomes weaker. However, this firefighting drone is different and works swiftly even with these advanced functions. It can even lift and rescue people with a weight less than 145 kilograms. It is able to operate in narrow spaces and can avoid obstacles in flight mode. It can also be used for cleaning and maintenance purposes for high-rise buildings or structures. The cost of this drone varies between $3,500 to $6,000. Number 4. Matrice 600 Pro is the largest drone made by the company DJI. It has a 6-rotor system and was built for heavy lifting performance. It has pre-installed arms and antenna, which reduces the time required for setup of the drone for the purpose of lifting. The drone is equipped with actively cooled motors, controlling the temperature of the battery, and also has an intelligent flight battery, allowing it a flight time of 40 minutes. The drone has a total of 6 batteries and allows a 360-degree circular view. It has a retractable landing gear and allows flexibility to attach and detach professional-grade cameras for aerial photography. The drone has a long range up to 5 kilometers, allows professional HD transmission, offers compatibility with onboard SDK for building software for various purposes. It has a flight time of 15 minutes with 13.2 pounds of payload and 35 minutes with Zenmuse X5R camera. Furthermore, it provides live video to the user at 1080 pixels at 60 frames per second.